In a regular polygon, any interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120. Any interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120. So if the interior angle is exterior angle is x, then any interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120. So the interior angle will then turn out to be equals to 120. Now interior plus exterior angle is always going to be equals to 180. So this is clearly telling me that x plus 120 plus of x is going to be equals to 180, because it is going to interior and exterior angle forms a linear pair. So it is going to be 2x is equals to 60. Then the value of x is going to be equals to 30. This then happens to be the exterior angle. And if it is a regular polygon, the value of exterior angle is equals to what? 360 divided by n. Now 360 divided by n is turning out to be equals to 30. So n is going to be equals to what? 360 divided by 30. That's going to be equals to 12. So it's a 12-sided polygon that we are referring to. But understand, they are not asking you the number of sides in the polygon. Then the number of diagonals of this polygon will be how much? The number of diagonals is what they are talking about. The number of diagonals of a polygon is given by n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So n, where n is the number of sides. So it is going to be 12 into 9 divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 9 6 are 54. So the number of diagonals in this particular polygon will be 54